Let's solve a few equations on page 34. When we look at this equation, we see that z plus 10 equals 22. We need to figure out what z is. We need to find the value of this variable. And we're going to be doing something called the inverse operation. And we want to get z by itself. To do that, we're going to subtract 10 from the left side of the equation. We're also going to subtract it from the right side. So if we subtract 10 minus 10, that's just going to give us 0. So all that's left is z. And 22 minus 10 is what? 12. Z equals 12. That's the answer to this question. So when we're looking at 2z minus 5 equals 27, we need to find out what the value of z is. What is it equal to? The first thing that we're going to do is work away from the variable, and we need to get rid of this negative 5. So we're going to apply the inverse operation. I see it's a minus 5, so what we're going to do is we're going to add 5. And if we do it to one side, we've always got to do it to the other. So now the 5's cancel out. 5 minus 5 is 0. And 27 plus 5 is going to give us 32. So now 32 is equal to 2z, right? I'm just simply bringing this over. And whenever we have a number next to a variable, that means multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division, and we're going to have to apply this inverse operation by dividing 2, and if we do it to one side, we've got to do it to the other. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, so that can be 1z or just z. And 32 divided by 2 is going to give us 16. So z equals 16. This is our answer. Let's take a look at question number 21. I see it says 27 plus 5 divided by 16 equals g. We need to know what g is. And there's nothing on this side, so we can let it just chill isolated. And let's approach this. We're going to look at the numerator first. And we're going to add 27 to 5. That's going to give us, what? 32. And we're simply going to bring down the 16. So it's going to be 32 divided by 16. 32 divided by 16 is 2. So 2 equals g. That's our answer.